Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words in Wegfinder. Wegfinder is Austria's largest multi-modal transit service, and you can use Wegfinder to route plan or book public transport tickets or vehicles. You can also get real-time information and error messages, etc. It has integrated what3words so that the users can find most efficient route. So let's just go ahead and go to their app. So all you have to do is click on Find and Buy and enter your starting points 3-word address. So in my case, I'm going to type in tablet, infinite, gateway. Here you can see some auto suggestions, and I'm going to choose the first one, which is the correct one. In the destination bar, you can go ahead and enter the what3words address of the destination. Mine is Market, Showdown, Riders. And choose the first auto suggestion. And simply click Find Route. And here you can see the route for buses or trains, as well as time and cost for bike rides, car rides, taxi service, etc. And that's how easy it is to use what3words in Wegfinder. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.